Look! 10 dazzling trials in the mirror universe, and a giant worm treat at the very end. Superhero Bird spots the prize, and oh wow, he wants it so badly. First trial, cracked mirror tiles. One wrong step, and the floor warns you, stay sharp. He hesitates. Those cracks look sneaky. Which tiles are truly safe? He studies the glow lines like a map, counting a clean path in his head. Step, step, careful. He follows the safe tiles like stepping stones of light. Nice. He keeps balance, feet landing only where the glow stays steady. The gate clears, and a new portal appears. Trial 2 is calling.
Whoosh! The camera flies ahead. 3 crystal buttons and a locked door are waiting.
3 buttons, 1 correct pattern. Easy, not if you rush. He almost presses randomly, but the door gives a clue. Dim, medium, bright. Aha! He follows the brightness clue, not the button spots. That is so smart. Tap, tap, tap. Left, middle, right, and he nails the pattern. Listen, click! The lock agrees, and the door starts to open. Through the doorway, he spots floating rings ahead. Trial 3 looks wild. Up ahead, glowing rings zigzag in the air. You can see the gaps, so timing matters. No gravity rings. He must jump through without drifting off course. Oops, too early. The airflow pushes back, so he cannot muscle through. He watches the wind breathe, 1, 2, 3, then he jumps on the calm beat. There, he launches perfectly, gliding through ring 1, then ring 2. Landing! A portal appears ahead, and the next trial is all about light. A light beam misses the crystal. He has to redirect it with mirrors. Too much twist, whoa! The beam shoots away. Tiny angles matter here. He draws the path in the air. Source, mirror, 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 target. So clever. Small turn, now it hits mirror 2, then mirror 3. He is lining it up. Just a tiny nudge, yes. The beam hits the crystal perfectly. Portal opens. Next is a river of liquid mirror, and he looks totally ready.
Flycam time. A mirror river and bouncing stones. This one is all about rhythm.
The mirror river moves. He must step only when the stones reach the top. He nearly slips, but he saves it. Timing is everything. He counts the wave cycle and waits for the safest beat. Smart and steady. Go, go, go! 1 stone, 2 stones, 3, 4. He is finding the rhythm. Perfect. He steps only at the top of each wave, like a rhythm game.
Across! A new portal opens, and a wind tunnel is waiting next.
Flycam dives in. 5 wind gates ahead, and the airflow keeps switching directions.
The wind pushes hard.
He tries rushing. Nope. The gusts shove him back. He has to think.
He waits, then bursts forward again. Gate 4 and Gate 5.
clean.
He made it!
Dot grid puzzle time. He must stand on the right tile to unlock the path. Wrong tile, nothing happens. That is okay. Mistakes help us find clues. Top row shows 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, so 3 is the key. He steps on 3 dots, yes. The board lights up like it is cheering. Energy runs to the lock, click. The portal pops right in front of him. And there it is, a mirror maze with tricky doors. This next one looks spooky fun.
Flycam glides in. 6 identical doors in a mirror maze, but only one is real.
Mirror maze time. 6 doors look the same, but only one is the true exit. He touches a door, his hand goes right through. Fake door, not the exit. He studies the reflections, and one door lags a little. That must be the real one.
He walks straight to it, calm and confident. No panic, just smart.
The real door ripples like liquid glass, whoosh, and it opens the way. Success! A portal appears, and now the cosmic balance scale is next. He tries the big one, too heavy. The scale swings hard, so not that. Look! The pans have different sized circles. That is the clue, not guessing. Medium fits the big circle on the left. Now he needs the small circle on the right. Small goes on the right, and look! The beam levels perfectly. We did it! Level balance unlocks a portal. Now 3 shape gates appear for the final test. Final challenge. Triangle, circle, then choose the gate that completes the pattern. Final test. The floor shows triangle, then circle, so what comes next? Triangle, circle, the pattern wants the next shape. He is almost sure. Triangle, circle, then square. He has the answer, now he just needs courage. He picks square and runs through. The pattern was right, and the prize is so close. He made it to the prize platform. The giant worm is right there, smiling. He finally meets the giant worm. It is friendly, and he is so happy. He did it! 10 trials down, and our superhero bird earns the sweetest reward. Thanks for watching. Our superhero bird proved that smart choices beat tough challenges every time.